Hey everyone! So today we're going to talk about a really common grammar question that trips people up. The difference between to, T-O, and to, T-O-O. To and to are homophones, which means they're words that sound the same, but mean different things. And because they sound the same, homophones can obviously be really confusing. But by the end of this video, not only will you understand the difference between these two words, but you'll learn a trick so that you'll never forget it again. All right, so first up, let's go over how each word is used. To is used to explain direction or location. For example, we're going to the park. To is also used as part of infinitive verbs, so to run, to think, to ask. On the other hand, TOO means also or excess, which is another word to say extra. For example, if you say, I want to go to, it means you also want to go. She ate too much cake means she ate an excess of cake or she ate more cake than was needed. So now that you're sure of what these words mean, it's time to find out the trick for how you can remember the difference between them. First up, TO explains where you GO. This is a really easy way to remember that to, TO, shows direction or location. Meanwhile, TOO has an extra O that wants to join in. This is how you can remember that to, TOO, explains that there's something extra. And that's it. So to review one more time really quick before you go, to is used for directions and the infinitive form of verbs. And TOO is for when something is added on or when there's more than is needed. I really hope that you found this video helpful, and if you're still feeling kind of unsure, just remember that mastering grammar takes time and practice, but it is so worth it to be able to speak and write with confidence. And if you found this video useful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And also feel free to leave a comment if you have a question or if there's another grammar topic you need a little more help figuring out. Until next time, thanks so much for watching.